Welcome to Seraphim's Gifts. I'm Caroline. So, today we're doing an unboxing video. I love watching unboxing videos. This is my first unboxing video. I just had to do one. I love Lion brand yarn. I usually get it from Joann's, but you know, they have a good selection, but there's just some yarns you can't get in the store. So, I went to the website and you know, there's a great selection there. You can get it all at their website. So it just got delivered, and here we are. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take a look. Now this is really cool. Looks like they include a little pattern book, which is really nice. Looks like it gives you 4 easy patterns for knit or crochet. So that's pretty cool. That's they just included that. Didn't cost extra or anything. And this I ordered, I've never tried before, is their hand-dyed heaven. I'll try to get a look. Ooh. There. Looks great. It's super soft. See, 2.5 ounce weight, 175 yards. It's a light 3 weight. 100% nylon. Really nice. Lovely colors. We've got orange and blue mixed in with the white. Love that. We got 2 of those. And this is another one I haven't tried yet. Let's see, LKYC, London. Super bulky, 6, 100% acrylic, 1.4 ounces, 20 yards. Super soft, really thick. That'll knit up really quickly, so that'll be nice. For like a chunky scarf or a hat or something. So, loving that so far. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Hand-dyed silk. Look at the colors on that. Wow. That's nice. So I just ordered a bunch that I haven't tried before, and so far so good. They look amazing. So hand-dyed silk, 100% silk. It's a 4 medium weight. And yeah, 151 yards. Yeah, this is great. The colors came out great, nice and soft. That'll make a good scarf. I got 2 of those. That was another one of the LKYC in the same color. What is the color? That's a pink. Sweetheart Cherie. C-H-E-R-I. Cherie. Cherry. Sweetheart Cherie. Okay. And then we have Ribbonaire. This is ribbon yarn. Yet again, something I haven't tried yet. 3.5 ounces, 196 yards. Oh, it's a 5 bulky. Yeah, it's really squishy. That's a really good one. I can't wait to try that. It's like a rose gold color. Rose cloud is what they call it. Really nice. Then we've got Mandala Tranquil is the color, and it's 5.3 ounces, 344 yards, a 4-weight. It's pretty colors. Again, that's Tranquil is the color. It looks like there's orange, green, purple, like a sage green in there, pink. It's really nice. So that'll be fun to try. Oh, and then we have another one of the LKYC. This one is in Shy. There's the color. 100% acrylic, 1.4 ounces, 20 yards. Lovely soft pink color. I don't know if you can really see it very well there. I got 2 of those, and let's see, another Mandala ombre. It is balance. This one is balance. See the colors, like a purple, blue, green, pink. Lovely colors. This is 5.3 ounces, 344 yards. That's lovely. And again, that's a 4-weight. And we have another Ribbonnaire, this time in the color Ether. Very soft, squishy. Looks like a sage green. And this is a bulky 5, 3.5 ounces, 196 yards. Loving it. And that's it. So, pretty decent yarn haul today. Definitely happy with my purchase. Haven't tried any of these yet, but I will let you know in another video what I think of the yarns once I give them a try. But I am loving that they include a little pattern booklet. That was pretty cool. So, thank you for tuning in. And again, I love unboxing because it helps me know what's out there even. You know, what yarns there are, what companies there are. Like, I got introduced to so many different companies and yarns just by people's unboxing videos. So, sorry, here we go. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.